giant hails, and they have the spikes. The spikes mean something different. I don't remember what it was. What the deers didn't get, the hails got. That one's just got a couple scuffs, so I'm going to leave it. Apple tree looks okay, not that it's doing anything. Yeah, some of the vines are broke. Cucumbers, I was just starting to get cucumbers. That blackberry, it's okay. The currants planted a couple months ago, they're not growing as fast as I'd like them to grow, but at least the hail didn't. Oh crap. That whole branch is off. I'm just going to leave them. Check them in a day, see if they come back. Oh.